Good morning, dear students. Last class I have finished different types of problems from exercise 6.1. That exercise 6.1 belonging to the lesson right measure. In that lesson, I have finished different types of problems on different diagrams like on circle, rectangle, cone, sphere and cube. Like that I have finished like all these questions from exercise 6.1. Today also we will solve some different types of problems from exercise 6.1 and some more problems on sphere. At the same time we will solve some different types of problems from triangle also. Like those problems today we will discuss. Now let us we discuss some different types of problems from that exercise 6.1 only. A ladder 5 meters long. A ladder 5 meters long. 5 meters long is leaning against a wall. Is leaning against a wall. Is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the grounds away from the wall. Away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. At the rate of 2 centimeter per second. 2 centimeter per second. How fast is the height? How fast is the height on the wall? Decreasing when the foot of the ladder is when the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall. They gave one ladder here. The bottom of the end ladder is pulled away from the wall. If you can bring that bottom of the ladder, that bottom of ladder should be moved at the rate of 2 centimeter per second away from the ground. If you can move like this, the top of the ladder will come down. Will come down means how much it is decreasing. About that now we are going to finding. See, like all these questions, better we must draw a diagram. By taking the diagram, easily we can analyze about the problem and easily we can understood about the solution of the problem also here. That's what. Let us now we are going to drawing for this question. At the same time, we are going to giving solution for this question. Solution is it's a wall. It's a rough diagram. It's a wall here. It's a wall. Against the ground, one ground is there here. Is the grounds. Ground it is. After this, one ladder we are going to attaching here. It is a ladder like this. It is ladder. And ladder length is the 5 meters they gave here. At the same time, we considered A, B, C here. X becomes length of the ground here and Y becomes height of the wall here. The bottom of the ladder, if we can pulled away from the grounds, away from the wall on this grounds, it moves at the rate of, they gave in the question 2 centimeter per second. X be the dx by dt they gave here 2 centimeter per second they gave. When if you can pull bottom of the ladder like this, then top of the ladder will come down. If you can pull like this, bottom of the ladder, then top of the ladder will come down. It will come down or it is coming down means the rate of, it should be at the rate of decreasing. Decreasing rate will come. Decreasing rate will come means finally we should get answer in terms of negative. When it is in negative, definitely we are going to writing that is the decreasing words, decreasing rates. Now we are going to discussing about decreasing rate means how much it is coming here and whether we are getting a positive or negative. About that now we'll discuss. And before that, whenever you are going to drawing diagram, about that we should write some words here. See here, let AB is equal to, let AB is equal to y meters, y meters be the height of the wall, be the height of the wall. And BC is equal to x meters. Meters be the length on the grounds. Length on the grounds. Given that, what they are giving you, we should write about that only here. Given that dx by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second. And also they gave here y is equal to 5 meters. And they are asking here dy by dt is how much? Dy by dt is how much when x is equal to 4 meters. Like this. Because the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is, foot of means bottom place, foot of the ladder is 4 meters. Then what about dy by dt they are asking here. See, if you can observe diagram, right angle triangle ABC you are seeing here. When you are seeing that right angle triangle, we must and should apply Pythagoras theorem statement here. That's what here. From right angle triangle, from the right angle triangle, ABC, we can write x square plus y square is equal to 25. It is the equation number 1. Because adjacent square plus opposite square is equal to 5 square means 25. From that only we are going to finding the rate of change of wall when it will come down means when it is decreasing. What about decreasing or increasing we don't know, but we are going to finding the rate of change of wall only here. See here, and for this you must and should take differentiation with respect to t here. That is 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy by dt is equal to 0 here. At the same time, here from this we are going to finding one more is x square plus y square is equal to 25. X square already x value we knew about x value. X value they gave 4. 4 square means 4 square plus y square is equal to 25 here. 16 plus y square is equal to 25. Y square is equal to send 16 that side, it becomes 25 minus 16 becomes 9 and y is equal to 3 we got. Here we need this value and we need x value also. That's what at the rough side of the solution I have found that value of y also. See here dy by dt here, send this that side, that is the 2y into dy by dt is equal to minus 2x into dx by dt here. Now 2 gets cancelled. At the same time dy by dt is equal to minus x by y into dx by dt here. dy by dt is equal to minus x value how much we have here 4. Y value how much we got in rough side here 3. At the same time they gave dx by dt value how much they gave here 2 centimeter per second means instead of that we can write 2 here is equal to minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. That's what we can write. The rate of change of the height of the wall. The height of the wall is decreasing at the rate of 8/3 centimeter per second. Because we should not write minus. And firstly, I told also, if it will come down means height, top of the ladder it will come down means automatically definitely we can tell the height of the wall is decreasing. When in the words of decreasing means definitely answer should come in terms of negative. That's what finally also we got answer is negative, that is minus 8/3 centimeter per second. That's why it is minus 8/3 means we should write in words the height of the wall is decreasing at the rate of 8/3 centimeter per second. And once again we should not write minus here. Already we have mentioned in the words decreasing, no, that's why minus will not come. If you are not mentioned the decreasing, then minus will come, no problem. That's what here I did not write minus here, and before that I have written in words the height of the wall is decreasing at the rate of 8/3 centimeter per second. Like that we are giving solution for this question. Let us now we are going to solving another questions. A balloon which always remains spherical, which always remains spherical, has a variable radius, has a variable radius, find the rate at find the rate at which its volume is increasing. Volume is increasing with the radius when the latter is 10 centimeters. The latter is 10 centimeters. Here in this question they are not giving rate of change of any length and rate of change of volume and rate of change of radius. That is the per second, per minute, per hour. They did not give like those words here. That's why here directly we can take a differentiation with respect to x. At the same time, the mentioned here a balloon which always remains spherical has variable radius. Variable, generally we are seeing variables are x and y. That's why easily we can take here differentiation with respect to x. And before that we must and should consider and what is volume and what is radius, and for those two we must represent with some letters. So letters we are going to giving solution for this question. Let V represents volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere. And let's x represents the radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere. Consider V is equal to volume of the sphere formula. Consider V is equal to 4 by 3 into pi x cube. Now differentiation with respect to x here. dV by dx is equal to 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 pi constant, d by the 3x cube is 3x square. 3 gets cancel. Therefore dV by dx is equal to 4 pi x square. In this case, we are going to substituting here at x equal to 10 only here. They gave 10 also. When x equal to 10 centimeters, that is the volume is increasing with the radius when the latter is 10 centimeters. Its meaning is when radius is 10 centimeters, what is the position of volume? Position of volume means in which how much it is increasing. About that we'll discuss now. About that we have to tell also here. See here dV by dx at x equal to 10. About that now we are going to finding. dV by dx at x equal to 10 is equal to 4 pi into x square. In this place we are going to substituting 10 square, that is the 4 pi into 100, that is the 405 cubic units. This is the dV by dx. Because it is a volume now, that's what we must and should measure in cubic units only. That's what we must and should give. Name of measurements is cubic units for this question. Like that we are giving solution for this question. Now let us we are going to solving another questions. Next question is, the radius of an air bubble, the radius of an air bubble air bubble the radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of is increasing at the rate of 1/2 centimeter per second. 1/2 centimeter per second. What rate is the volume? What rate is the volume of the bubble? Volume of the bubble. Volume of the bubble. Volume of the bubble increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter. When the radius is 1 centimeter question mark. They gave the rate of change of radius for the air bubble. Air bubble nothing but sphere only. Air bubble. Bubble nothing but it is sphere. That's what here we have to apply methods of sphere. Methods of sphere means we have to apply formulas of sphere here. At the same time, they gave question on volume of sphere. That's what here we need volume of sphere formula. We need volume of sphere formula is here. V is equal to 4/3 into pi x cube. We have to apply that formula. Otherwise, instead of x, we can consider r also, no problem. Then volume of the sphere becomes here. V is equal to 4/3 into pi r cube. We need that formula, and we are going to finding that the rate of change of volume from that formula only here. Now let us, we are going to giving solution for this question now. Let small r represents a radius of air bubble. Radius of air bubble. Air bubble nothing but sphere only here. Sphere, or in bracket you can write air bubble. Both are giving here same meaning, air bubble. Air bubble like that. And let V represents volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere or of sphere. Volume of the sphere. Given that what they are giving, what we have to find out about those we should write here. Given that dr by dt is equal to, they gave dr by dt is equal to half into centimeter per second. They are asking here dy by dt is, dv by dt is how much? dv by dt is how much when r is equal to 1 centimeter. About this they are asking here. Now consider V is equal to formula. Consider V is equal to 4/3 into pi x cube or pi r cube. Differentiation with respect to t, because they gave centimeter per second. Already I have mentioned and I have told also, whenever the problem having centimeter per second and centimeter per minute, centimeter per hour, or meter per second, meter per hour, meter per minute, like those situations, like those words you are seeing in that problem, means definitely we must and should take a differentiation with respect to t. Now we are in this question, we have centimeter per second now, and that's what here we are going to taking the differentiation with respect to t only here. Say here, dv by dt, dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3r square, 3r square into dr by dt. Now 3 gets a cancel. dv by dt is equal to 4 pi r square into dr by dt value they gave here 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now 2 1 ja and 2 2 gets cancel. That's why dv by dt here we got 2 pi r square. At the same time, r value also they gave. R value is 1 centimeter they gave. That's what instead of r we are going to substituting 1 only here. That is the dv by dt when r is equal to 1. At the time here we can write 2 pi into 1 square. That is dv by dt is equal to 2 pi centimeter cube per second. It is the rate of change of volume is 2 pi centimeter cube per second. Like that we are giving solution. Like that we are going to finding the rate of change of volume for this question. They gave air bubble nothing but sphere only. That's why you should not get any confusion with the name air bubble. Air bubble nothing but a sphere only. That's what we applied a sphere formula. That is the volume of the sphere formula, 4 by 3 into pi r cube. And finally, with help of that, finally we got rate of change of volume is 2 pi centimeter cube per second. Now let us, we are going to solving another question. Next question is, a balloon which always remains spherical, which always remains spherical, which always remains spherical, has variable diameter, has variable diameter, has a variable diameter, has a variable diameter, diameter 3 by 2 of 2x plus 1. 3 by 2 of 2x plus 1. Find the rate of change of. Find the rate of change of rate of change of volume, change of its volume with respect to x, with respect to x, they only ask directly with respect to x. That's what easily we can take here, differentiation with respect to x only here. They gave here diameter has variable diameter, they gave 3 by 2 of 2x plus 1. But we need radius means diameter whole dividing by 2. If we can do like that, you will get radius. That's the variable radius you will get here. After finding radius, we must apply volume of sphere. Balloon nothing but here sphere only. That's what here also we are going to applying volume of the sphere formula. That is 4 by 3 into pi x cube. That's why here we must and should consider the radius of sphere is x only. So like that we are going to solving the solution for this question. That is, now let us we are going to giving solution for this question now. Let V be the volume of the sphere. V be the volume of the sphere. Let D, small letter d, be the diameter of the sphere. Diameter of the sphere. Let small letter r be the radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere, like that. What they are giving here? Given that D is equal to, capital letter D is equal to 3 by 2 of 2x plus 1. Then r is equal to radius, r is equal to d by 2. That is 1 by 2 of d. That is 1 by 2 of, already for variable diameter they gave here 3 by 2 of 2x plus 1. That is r is equal to here 3 by 4 of 2x plus 1 they gave here. Otherwise with respect to x they are asking, no, better instead of r you considered x only. X, that is. Otherwise, if you can take x means differentiation with respect to x. If you can take r means you must take differentiation with respect to r. As your wish. There is no any pressure. If you can take r also no problem. But at the time of differentiation, we must and should take a differentiation with respect to r. If you can take x instead of at the time in case of differentiation, differentiate with respect to x. That is the only difference between r and x here. Next, volume of the sphere formula. What is the volume of the sphere formula? Here we are going to applying that formula here. V is equal to 4 by 3 into pi x cube. V is equal to 4 by 3 into pi. X value we have 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1 whole cube like this. That is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3 cube is just distribute this power to both 3 by 4 and 2x plus 1. cube is there means 3 cube means here 27. Next 4 cube means here 64 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now 3 1s are 3 9s are 4 1s are 4 16s are. That's why V is equal to 9 pi by 16. Pi into 9 pi by 16 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. From this onwards, we must and should take differentiation with respect to x. Differentiation with respect to x here. Differentiation with respect to x, then dv by dx is equal to 9 pi by 16 into, take differentiation to the power first, 3 into 2x plus 1 whole to the power of 3 minus 1 means 2, and again take differentiation of base also, it becomes 2 here. dv by dx is equal to 3 9s are 27 pi into 2x plus 1 whole square, and gets cancelled here 8. That is whole dividing by 8. It is the answer for the rate of change of volume with respect to x. That's why variable volume we are getting. Variable volume means dv by dx equal to 27 by 8 into pi 2x plus 1 whole square. Like that also we can write it, no problem here. 27 pi by 8 into 2x plus 1 whole square. In this way also we can give answer. Like that here we are finding the rate of change of volume with respect to x. The rate of change of volume with respect to time, there is no time here. With respect to x only they are asking. That's what here we gave answer also with respect to x here. If they gave centimeter per second, centimeter per minute, in those words we have taken differentiation with respect to t. But here they did not give like those words. Directly they are asking differentiation with respect to x only. That is the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. With respect to x means here we must and should take differentiation with respect to x. Like that today I have finished the all types of problems from rate measure, and that is I have finished all types of problems from exercise 6.1. That is next class onwards I will start increasing and decreasing functions. After this, just what is the rate measure and which types of formulas we are applying to the diagrams, about all these we have discussed and have told also. Once I have told the formulas of mensurations, they are very important to this lesson, to the rate measure lesson, like that I have told also. And remember this, but how to remember all types of formulas from mensuration, because they are very most useful to solve some problems in rate measure. At the same time, next class onwards, that is the next lesson is increasing and decreasing function. When we are saying differentiable function is increasing and when we are saying the differentiable function is decreasing, about all these next class we will discuss. Thank you very much.